Welcome back to Best Reviews. If you're new here, this is the channel where we break down the latest tech, gadgets, and gear, so you know exactly what's out there. Today, we're looking at 5 of the newest portable solar power generators released in 2025. These devices are designed to keep your lights on, your gear charged, and your life moving, whether you're off-grid, outdoors, or at home during an outage. Let's get started. Number 5. Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus. The Jackery HomePower 3600 Plus is a high-capacity home backup and portable solar generator designed to keep essential devices running during power outages. With a massive 3,600 watt-hour battery capacity, it can handle multiple high-power appliances at once. It supports expandable battery packs, allowing users to scale up to even larger storage when needed. The unit features fast AC charging, efficient solar input, and multiple output ports including AC, DC, and USB-C, making it versatile for different needs. It's engineered with safety in mind, using LiFePO4 battery chemistry for longer lifespan and durability. With its smart app integration, you can monitor usage, input, and output in real time, right from your phone. Number 4. EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus. The EcoFlow Delta 3 Plus represents the next step in EcoFlow's well-known Delta line. Compact yet powerful, it offers around 1,024 watt-hours of capacity, with up to 1,600 watts of AC output. The Delta 3 Plus is designed for quick recharging, reaching up to 80% in under an hour using EcoFlow's X-Stream fast charge technology. It accepts solar input for clean, renewable energy, and is compatible with a variety of panel options. The Delta 3 Plus includes multiple output ports, covering USB, AC, and DC needs, making it useful for everything from camping trips to emergency backup. EcoFlow's companion app allows users to track performance, schedule charging, and optimize energy management. Number 3. Anker Solix C1000 Gen 2. This upgraded model delivers a balance of portability and performance, offering approximately 1,056 watt-hours of power. It can output up to 2,000 watts, giving it enough strength to run small appliances, tools, and electronics with ease. The Gen 2 design emphasizes fast recharging, reaching 80% in under an hour with its rapid AC input. Solar charging support ensures it can sustain off-grid use, and the LiFePO4 battery chemistry promises a long cycle life. With its clean design, intuitive interface, and mobile app support, the Solix C1000 Gen 2 fits well for both outdoor enthusiasts and homeowners looking for a compact power backup solution. Number 2. BLUETTI Elite 100 V2. The BLUETTI Elite 100 V2 expands on BLUETTI's commitment to versatile and durable power stations. This model comes with a robust battery capacity in the mid-range category, perfect for extended use in both residential and recreational settings. It features LiFePO4 battery cells, known for long-term reliability, and a wide array of ports, from AC outlets to USB-C PD options. The Elite 100 V2 supports fast dual charging, combining AC and solar input for rapid recovery. Its touchscreen interface and companion app provide real-time control over energy usage and system health. The design is compact yet powerful, with an emphasis on quiet operation, making it suitable for both indoor and outdoor environments. Number 1. Dabbsson 2000 liter. This model is a 2048 watt-hour LiFePO4-based portable power station, designed for users who need a reliable mix of capacity and efficiency. It delivers up to 2,200 watts of AC output, with surge capability for handling appliances with higher startup demands. The Dabbsson 2000L is equipped with rapid charging, including both wall and solar options, ensuring it can be replenished quickly in various scenarios. It's expandable with extra batteries, letting you extend total capacity for longer backup. Multiple outputs make it suitable for powering everything from laptops and phones to refrigerators and small tools. The sleek design and smart monitoring app round out a system built for flexibility and control. And there you have it. 5 of the latest portable solar power generators released in 2025. Each one brings unique strengths to the table, whether for home backup, camping, or off-grid living. Thanks for watching Best Reviews. If you enjoyed this countdown, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest product breakdowns. See you in the next video!